so cute. I'm gonna down so cute. And my people they go down so cute. Boss man, you go down so cute. When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body. They go shake their body.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilyn. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you guys a tutorial on how I achieved this high puff, as well as how I sleeked down my edges. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, keep on watching. So my hair has been in cornrows and I took it out and it's really dry. So what I'm going to do is to spray a little bit of water around the perimeter of my hair. That way it's going to be easier to work with, as well apply the gel on wet hair. So just do that around your hair. I'll be using the coil activator gel to sleek down the perimeter of my hair. You can use any gel of your choice, it doesn't really matter. Is it just me, or don't you guys love products that smell so good? Oh gosh. So I'm gonna do this on the back first. So when you're all done with that, I'm gonna take my brush and just brush the hair off. Just put everything together in place. So this came together like that, but I then cut it because it's easier for me to do my high puff with it, just like a string basically. So I cut that up, and what I do is I take it all the way to the back like that. Pass it through, like pass it right on top of above my ears. Okay, so that's what the back's looking like. And for the front, I just cross it like that. This is really easy guys. And then I gradually pull it. I keep lifting it and pulling it. Like gradually lifting it and pulling it. And then I tie the string. Just make like a knot. You can make 2 knots and then I make another one just to secure it. And then for what the leftover string, I just kind of like take it around and hide it just underneath like that. So just pass it underneath and kind of like hide that, and do the same thing for the second piece. Okay guys, so after you've done putting your hair up in a puff, just want to kind of like mold the puff the way you like it to be. So I like to fluff it all up, like make it really big, and just use my palms to mold it in a round shape. So you see what I mean? You can put water on it to kind of like style it, but just don't put too much water because your hair's gonna shrink. So yeah, and then just kind of like play around with it until you get the shape you desire, and you can keep molding that up. To make it easier for you, you can just spray a little bit of water on your palm, right? And use that to mold your hair. Okay guys, so for my edges, I used the Moray's Edge Wax Extra Hold. And how I lay my edges, I use this with the Got To Be, but the first thing I do is to get this to open, a little bit of water into my edge control. Then I use a toothbrush, this is just for my edges, and just dip that in there and give myself some swoops. I'm gonna get up close and personal right now so you guys can see. So when that is all done, it's not looking too great, that's okay, because I'm not finished yet. So I take my Got2b. This is like a game changer for fussy edges, guys. Like, I feel like if your edges are stubborn and they never stay down, try using Got2b. Like, to be honest, your edges are gonna be snatched. So I put a little bit of it in my finger, on my finger rather, and I just apply it onto my edges. I take my brush again and I just give myself the same swoops again. Yeah, just design it however you'd like your edges styled. Y'all see that though? Okay guys, so this is what the final look looks like, and feel free to tie your hair up and let your edges lay down if you want, or if you want your hair to be extra sleek. But to me, I am satisfied with this look, so this is okay for me. And I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see the back of the hair. And yeah, if you guys liked this video or want to see more hair tutorials, be sure to leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and you enjoyed it, and as well subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, so let's do it. So subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram and Snapchat. Details will be in the description box as well as on the screen somewhere there, so be sure to follow me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.